Today I want to remake Jetpack Joyride on Godot. We're gonna make all the assets and everything. It's gonna be quite hard. It's not gonna be really pretty. It's just gonna be the bare minimal. Yeah, it's just a fun experience. So anyway, let's start. So I made a small Jetpack Joyride. Kinda ugly, but we're gonna do this anyway. So let's save Jetpack. Nice. And then let's import Jetpack in here. Perfect. Let's just delete this. Okay, so we're gonna make a new scene, call it player, add, let's make it a character 2D, change type, character body 2D. Now let's add an animated sprite 2D. Let's put this in here. Up like this. Up. Perfect. Magnificent. Let's save the scene. Go to project settings. Then in textures, set to nearest. It's a bit better. Now let's create a scene called world. In this scene we're gonna instantiate the player. Let's save the scene. Let's move the player in here. Up. Let's make the player a bit bigger. Scale. Should be a bit better. Let's place it here. Now we're gonna make the movement for the player. So this UI accept. Direction, we don't want any direction. Up. If not is on ground. So we have the gravity. We have the jumps. We don't need the ground check since he's flying. Let's just do like this. Let's remove the speed. You know what? Let's skip the speed and let's say velocity.x equal 1. Then we're gonna attach a camera to the player so that it follows it. Let's move the camera like this. Now let's make the levels. So let's make a node 2D levels. Let's make sprites. No, you know what? We're gonna make a new scene for the levels. Zapper. Let's make a zapper design. So, like this. You know what? Let's make it gray. Why is the fill? paint bucket. Yes, paint bucket. Yeah, this is the zapper. Maybe let's move it a bit more centered. Okay, it's really not perfect, but it's okay. Up. Perfect. Let's make it a sprite 2D. Nice. Let's scale it by 10. Let's instantiate it for now. And let's see if it works. So we can jump, though I don't see the gravity. Why we don't have any gravity? Velocity.y, maybe this will work. Okay, not the, it's plus. Okay, seems to be working, but I need to be able to not just press, it's pressed like this. Perfect. We have the Jetpack, but we don't move. Velocity plus equal 1. It works. There's probably more position. And we probably want to increase by speed. Maybe reduce the speed. Too fast. A bit better. Let's do 6. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna make multiple zappers that can spawn. So we have this one. Let's, you know what? The other one will just be the same one, but with different rotation. So let's do a level code. So I'm gonna have add a timer. Timer will be 1 second. It auto starts, and when the timers time out, we're gonna instantiate a new zapper. So let's export. Let's get the zapper scene. Zapper scene. Up, and let's zapper scene.instantiate. Maybe let's add a marker to know where we spawn it. So marker 2D. Let's select the marker and why it doesn't work? Ah, nice. Dapper don't instantiate. Let's get the zapper. And let's set the position of the zapper to the spawn dapper dot global position. Maybe this will work. I don't know. So let's place the marker. It's gonna be right here, and it will move like this up and down. So here we are at minus 200 to 300. So we have to move it. So spawn dapper dot position global position dot y, take a random between 200 minus 200 and let's say 200. Does it work? Why it doesn't work? Okay, maybe it's run something else. Run range from 2. Perfect. Okay, maybe it works. Let's try. Okay, it doesn't work. Do they spawn? They don't spawn. Why? Let's print first to see if we get the timer. Okay, perfect. But it does not spawn. Why? Oh, I know. I'm stupid. I need to add it to the scene. That's why. I always forget that. I don't know why. Sorry. Should be better? No? Not yet? Okay. Oh, remote. Okay, now it's working. But why is it not the correct location? The position seems okay. Maybe maybe I know why. Yes, so the X position is not moving, but the X positions should be moving because the marker is just not at the correct location. So if we do this instead, it should follow the player and work a bit better. Yes, we have them. Now we need to make a floor. So let's add a floor. Sprite. Let's make something that repeats. With infinitely. Sprite. Floor. Godot. Endless runner, making background sprite. Maybe we're onto something.
Hello. Let's make. Have to make .NET what color ground. This will be a variety of background. Track. I will rename it to just one.
Okay, we need parallel background. Parallax 2D. Parallax layer. Use parallax 2D. Oh, we have parallax background. Okay. We're gonna use this. I don't know if it's what we are looking for, but let's try anyway. So maybe if I add a sprite 2D to it, for example, put the icon. Repeat. I
will rename it to just a new one. The sprite texture will be the background texture. Now what? Here you can create a background script. Trans is nothing. With back screen. Okay, for all this PC. So to make it that we're talking about, we've got a straight line. Something weird on the drone, but it was going all the time.
Parallax 2D. Godot. Scroll scale. Scroll scale. Infinitely repeat. Repeat size. Introduction. Getting started. Maybe it works. It doesn't. Okay. Let's check a tutorial.
You can download the answer in the video for free, link in the description.
Come on.
Video for free, link in the description. Effect and back texture of the sprite, which you can download for free, link in the description. And to remove the blurriness of the pixel art from the Parallax 2D node, we can set the texture filter to. It will enable repeating the texture for both the X and Y. We will set the repeat size to 160, but
Maybe it's just the repeat size. If I say 10. Oh, okay. Okay, got it. So let's say 150, 120. Yeah, it's ugly, but it's gonna be like this. You know what? I'm gonna make a design for the floor. So let's make this, and let's put a bit of brown. Okay, let's try with this. So let's say 200, 180, 165, 160. Perfect. So if I do this, nice, it works. Now we need collisions, so collider shape should be in here, should be rectangle, seems good. Oh, because my character doesn't have any collider. Nice. Perfect. Now it's gonna collide. Not yet. Why is it not colliding? Characters body 2D. It's a character body 2D. Ah la la. Version 1. Maybe it's rigid body? Godot collider. Static body 2D maybe. Maybe like this. Yes, it works. Perfect. Maybe let's do the same for the top. So nice. Now let's add to the zapper area 2D. The area 2D. No. Let's make collider. And this will be how do you say? Static body 2D. Perfect. Nice. Now let's add an area 2D that maybe a collision shape. Or maybe let's make a raycast. Raycast 2D. But I don't know how raycast works on Godot.
Hello everyone, the raycast to my same. You can grab this little dot right here and drag it out. So let's just do 200.
Okay. So I should be able to do like this.
Okay, you can see it right here. Make sure it's enabled. And
You know what? No, raycast is not good. We have to do an area 2D with a collider. Because otherwise it's not gonna trigger when it touches the side. We can even do something like this to cheat a little bit. This one we can cheat too. It's cheating, but it's gonna work. It's fine. So let's say that player has a signal. Signal. Yeah, hit. Maybe. Okay. And if the area 2D enter on body entered, or area entered, it means we got hit. So where is the signal? Oh, it wasn't in the correct place. Let's emit the signal. Perfect. Now the world is gonna get the player hit, and if we get hit, let's make a GUI. Control canvas layer head. Let's make a control node. Let's just the label and write you died. You died. Let's make it not visible. And when we get hit, let's queue free the player. No. Maybe it's just player.queue3. Yeah, exactly. And let's make the label appear visible equal to true. Let's try. So we don't have anything, and if we hit something, nothing happens. Let's debug. Oh, we were not on the correct thing. Up. So maybe I need to disconnect. Let's plug it to the world. Why can't we do that? On player hit. Oh, we have it. Yeah, but maybe I don't know. Let's first debug. Died. Okay, we don't die. Why can't we die? An area to the entered. maybe it's body entered. It's weird. No. Maybe it's body entered, but I don't think so. Oh, it works. So it was body entered for whatever reason. Body entered. Okay. So area 2D is sending the on area entered to player, and player is supposed. Oh, I know why. It's just because it's layers who has the script, not world. I think world should have also a script. So now I should be able to select. Nice. Perfect. So when we get hit, first, when we are ready, make this visible false. And now visible true. Nice! Let's add a button so we can retry. Perfect. Let's add a vertical. Let's just do a container. Up. Container doesn't work. What is H something? Ah, c'est box container. VBox container. Let's delete the container. Let's replace label by this. Perfect. Let's keep it visible. Nice. Let's center this. You died. Retry. Let's make it bigger. Team override. Font size 40. 100. Same here. Perfect. So now, if we crash, can retry. So, can we just reload the scene? Get tree, reload. Let's try. So, let's say it's him. We'll control this. Signal pressed. does it work? Nice! The game is finished. It's ugly as fuck, but it does work. Oh, we haven't. Yeah. So, you know what? Let's add a score counter. So, to do this, we're gonna just make a timer. Let's add a label. Which will be on the corner. Let's make it big. Let's say 0 score 0. Yep. Let's add a timer. Every 0.01 seconds auto start. You should have this script, then the timer is gonna time out on it, and text equal to how to timer the value, but time left. Let's just say var score equal to 0, score plus equal 1, text equal to score plus string the score. Maybe this will work. Yes, we have a score. And the score should stop when we die. So let's say that player hit, get on the label, and this should stop the timer. Nice! Very, very basic game. Yeah. So if you find this video interesting, you can leave a like. If you have any question, you can leave a comment. It was just a fun experience. I had some free time right now, so I just wanted to do something fun without using AI and by doing all the assets on my own. Just to practice and avoid going to the tutorial hell. I know I searched a bit on internet, but it's really normal. And it's just also to show you what is the real lifestyle, like what we do as a game dev. No, we are not always coding and always getting everything right all the time. We are mostly hitting barriers, trying to find ways to avoid this, searching on internet for solutions, thinking on our own for our own issues, try to organize stuff. So yeah, you can leave a like, you can subscribe, and I hope you will have a very nice day. Bye bye.